Stop scrolling. This creamy restaurant-style butter chicken is so easy you'll never order takeaway again. 500 grams boneless chicken, bite-sized pieces. 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste, 2 tablespoons butter. 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tomato puree. 1/2 cup fresh cream. 1 teaspoon sugar or honey. 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek. Fresh coriander for garnish. In a bowl, mix chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, salt, and garam masala. Marinate for at least 20 minutes. Heat oil in a pan and cook the marinated chicken on medium heat until fully cooked and slightly golden. Set aside. In the same pan, add butter. Pour in tomato puree and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until thick and glossy. Add salt, sugar, garam masala, and crushed kasuri methi. Mix well to create that classic butter chicken aroma. Add cooked chicken back into the sauce. Pour in fresh cream and simmer for 5 minutes on low heat until rich and creamy. Garnish with coriander and a small swirl of cream for that restaurant-style look.